As a globetrotter with a passion for adventure, you're not just collecting passport stamps. You're also seeking ways to fund your travels sustainably. Enter passive income, the art of earning money while you sip coconut water on a Thai beach or explore ancient ruins in Greece. Let's dive into strategies that align perfectly with your wanderlust. What is it? Travel blogging involves sharing your experiences, tips, and stories from your journeys. Whether you're hiking the Andes or savoring street food in Tokyo, your blog becomes a virtual travel companion for readers. How does it generate income? Ads. Monetize your blog by displaying ads. As your traffic grows, so does your ad revenue. Affiliate marketing. Recommend travel gear, booking platforms, or travel insurance through affiliate links. When readers make purchases, you earn commissions. Sponsored content. Collaborate with travel brands or tourism boards for sponsored posts. What is it? Create travel vlogs or informational videos. Capture the essence of your destinations, share travel hacks, and inspire viewers to explore the world. How does it generate income? Ads. YouTube displays ads on your videos. The more views, the more ad revenue. Sponsorships. Brands may sponsor your videos in exchange for exposure. Merchandise. Sell travel-themed merchandise like t-shirts and mugs to your audience. What is it? If you're a photography enthusiast, this one's for you. Sell your stunning travel photos on stock photography websites. How does it generate income? Royalties. Each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty fee. What is it? Well, affiliate marketing allows you to promote travel-related products or services. From travel insurance to luggage, you can become an affiliate and earn commissions. Now, how does it generate income? By content integration? Seamlessly incorporate affiliate links into your blog posts or videos. And remember, transparent recommendations are key. Only promote products you truly believe in. What is it? Dropshipping lets you set up an online store without holding any inventory. When customers buy, the supplier handles the shipping directly. And how does it generate income? Through niche stores. Create a store specializing in travel essentials like portable chargers, packing cubes, and travel pillows. Also, effective marketing using social media and content marketing can attract buyers. What is it? Share your expertise by teaching language basics, travel photography, or cultural insights through online courses. And how does it generate income? Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to host your courses. Plus, once created, your course can generate income indefinitely as evergreen content. Conclusion. Remember, these strategies require initial effort. Building a blog, growing a YouTube channel, or curating stock photos won't happen overnight. But as you sip that café con leche in Barcelona or marvel at the northern lights in Iceland, know that your passive income streams are working behind the scenes, funding your next adventure. Happy travels! Subscribe to my blog and podcast, Duchess DJ Love, for more travel and wealth wisdom. Bon voyage!